Hi, I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Today I am coming to you with an unboxing. Yes, an unboxing, a handbag. And it surprises me and it doesn't surprise me. And I think it will surprise and not surprise you possibly as well. So I'm going to open this for you, and then I have some little updates to share with you on things I have learned from Loewe and from Chanel. So this came from Matches Fashion, and all my paperwork here. It came all beautifully wrapped like this. Open it up. And in little dust bag, you can tell the color, right? It is a color I have not bought in a long time. I was thinking the last black bag I bought was in 2019, but it wasn't. It was actually that Chanel Deauville was the last one, which I don't think of because I don't use it. I probably am going to end up trying to sell that one. But it is from Loewe, and you know what it is. So let's just do it. It is the small puzzle bag in the smooth grained leather with the silver hardware. You might think I am crazy because if you follow me, you know I have two other puzzle bags. I have the light caramel, and I also have it in the sand and mink combination, which is no longer available. This one, I was able to pick it up using a 20% off discount code from Matches Fashion. So it ended up being, let's see if it's on my paperwork here. It might be right here. I can tell you the price. Yes, it is. That's incorrect. That's wrong. I'll have to put the price down below. A lot of times when you buy things from Europe, the price on there doesn't actually match the price that you paid. This one is saying that it was $2,300, and that is incorrect. I think it was $2,815, which was pretty much the price before the last price increase, which I think it's $3,150 now. I am correct about that price, so I don't have to put that down below. But yeah, I was able to find a discount code. The only color they had was black. And when I really sat and thought about it, I don't have a really good black crossbody bag, and crossbody is my favorite way to carry a bag. My sand mink bag, since I have purchased that, I can't count how many trips that has come on with me. This year it has been to 4 cities. I just love it. I love that you can convert this to a shoulder bag, and you can change it back to crossbody, and you can always do the top handle. So I will be getting an organizer from Zomoni for this. I just have not gotten it yet. Inside of the bag, it did come with the Loewe dust bag, which is just plain, other than the little, how do you say it, anagram? I'm not sure how you say that, but anyways, the same thing that they stamp right there. And the inside of it is a light colored interior. I always appreciate that with a black bag especially, and they came nicely stuffed. So the back of the bag just has one slit compartment right here. They are made in Spain. There are no feet on the bottom. And I will link a video down below of one of my other puzzle bag reviews showing you what fits. I will put in some mod shots with the black because since it is a different color, but I've done ample videos on the puzzle bag. So now let's get into a little bit of news from Loewe. I saw this flashing through my feed on YouTube. I saw several videos, is Loewe discontinuing the puzzle bag? And I'm like, there's no way they would, no way. And so I went into Loewe in Las Vegas. I had already purchased this before we left for Las Vegas. And I went in there and I just asked. I'm like, there was none on display. They only had the style that they call the Edge now, which I will insert a picture of. There was none of these on display. And I asked the lady, I said, you know, my girlfriend has been wanting to get one of these, and she was wanting to wait till fall. She wants to get the light caramel or the tan. I said, are they discontinued? She said, oh no, they're not discontinued. They will still continue to come in the classic colors. She goes, however, we don't have any in stock. She was so wrong. If I'm wrong about this, let me know, but I think that she was incorrect because on the Loewe website, there's very few colors, and when you click to try to find in a boutique, it will let you look through all of the stores in the United States, and there are not very many stores. So if you live in Europe, you might have a much better chance of getting the older version than we do here, but I couldn't find any. So they probably are still out there trickling in and out, but I don't know why they would do it. I have been asked how I feel about that new bag. This just appeals to me more. It just does. This one is so brand spanking new. It's gonna get slouchy. It's gonna just be, I don't know, I just think it's cool. I think it's edgy, and I just didn't have a black bag. I will show you close up because my other two are in that grained leather, and this is that really super smooth. This is one of the best features to me, which is why this bag goes traveling with me so often. Not this one, but the sand mink. It's a really generous compartment here. You can easily get a card holder in here. If you want to just put a card holder, you don't want to open your bag all the way up while you're out. And I also think it's a very secure bag because you have this flap opening here and the zipper here. So I think it's wonderful. And I'm really disappointed that they would phase it out so the new ones don't have the markings all the way around. If I'm correct, I didn't really look at them. I looked at them, I didn't like them, so I didn't pick them up and touch them or hold them or anything like that. So I'm gonna insert some mod shots right now, and I just wanna give you a little update also about Chanel. Okay, so if you followed my vlog when I first came back to YouTube, I said I didn't have a whole lot of interest in Chanel, and especially in their handbags right now. I do want to watch, and I did want some sunglasses, but I couldn't find anybody to help me, and it's like anybody I would text, I never had any luck getting, you know, I'm not waiting outside, I'm just not doing it. So I did remember somebody who knew me from Louis Vuitton, and I went in and I saw her, and she was very, very nice, and she's like, what do you want to see? And walked around the store, and I said, I'd love to see some, do you have any colorful small leather goods? No. They had like a dark gray, and there was very, very little selection in the entire store. And she said the new items are coming out, I believe she said September 15th. You all that are Chanel enthusiasts will know a lot better than me, but I think she said September 15th. And she said, here's the thing, I can't ship anything to you unless it's been out for 5 days, on the floor for 5 days. She goes, everything's gonna be gone. She goes, if you can find something from somebody, buy it. She goes, you know, basically she was saying don't even try to be loyal to one sales associate or to the brand right now because of they've had a lot of changes. I actually know exactly what the changes to their commission level were, and because I know people that work there and I know people that have really good friends that work there, and yeah, I don't think I don't think what Chanel did is very nice, but I'm not going to get into that because I'm not sure if I was supposed to talk about that, but they have changed a lot, and it's very unusual to hear a sales associate say, if you can find it somewhere else, get it. I have never had anybody tell me that, and she meant it, and she was like, I mean it, if you find it and you want it, she goes, by the time I can sell it to you, I can't. So that was really, really interesting. For those of us that don't have Chanel in our area, we do have a very small Chanel boutique where I live, but being that it's very small and there are people who, you know, it goes by who spends the most. We have a lot of athletic teams here and a lot of people with a lot of money in country music and this and that they're gonna get the first offers, and it's kind of rare to find a bag. I mean, just to get a jumbo was like a long waiting list. I ended up purchasing it in Las Vegas. The people at our store are very nice, but it's hard to get anything, and thank goodness I don't want any more of their bags. I think they're beautiful. I think they're absolutely beautiful, but I have all the classics from them that I want. And yes, again, I am going to be letting that tote go at some point. Just haven't gotten around to doing that yet, but thank you for letting me share. I know I'm nuts, but there are a few other bags that I'm nuts with as well. I have 3 Alma BBs. I have 3 Peekaboos, although one is a different size, but sometimes if you find something that's just that good, it's okay to duplicate. And I really am looking forward to wearing this fall and winter. I tried on all of my crossbody bags, debating if I was going to keep this one or send it back, and this is by far, to me, the best. I just absolutely love the puzzle bag. But like I said, I will link some videos related to the puzzle bag that show what fits and thoughts, and you know, because I've owned, I think I have a review on the sand and mink, like wear and tear and all that, which there is none. There is none. This leather is buttery, beautiful, but it's also very, very sturdy and durable. I hope you have an amazing day today, and I hope to talk to you again very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.